So, good afternoon everyone. We are here to propose our research entitled A Causal Comparative Analysis on AI Usage and Productivity Learning and Learning Productivity on ICT students. Agenda overview. We have the background of the study, the statement of the problem, significance of the study, review of related literature, and then methodology.
So the background of the study, it is focusing on how will the AI are being used by the grade 11 students to finish off their projects and their homeworks as well. Artificial intelligence boosts the efficiency or the productivity that can lead to a over-reliance of this and it can weaken their critical thinking skills. This research titled A Causal Comparative Analysis of AI Usage in Students' Learning Productivity in ICT STRAM are aiming to observe on how will the artificial intelligence affects the students on their learning skill and productivity of the students in GFA. So the goal here is to guide the students and teachers in using AI actively that will make a supporting learning.
AI use among ICT students in GFA is increasing, leading to both benefits and concern. While AI helps students complete tasks more easily, some studies suggest it may weaken their critical thinking because they rely on it too much. More research is needed on students' daily academic habits and performance to understand AI's full impact. The study's result can help schools adjust their educational system to handle the growing use of AI. Teachers and school boards can use the findings to create safer, more creative ways to integrate AI into lessons, improving learning outcomes and guide students on responsible AI use.
The review of related literature (RRL) synthesizes existing knowledge and studies on the use of AI tools in education, providing a clear identification of the variables mentioned in their levels of achievement. This helps in developing comprehensive understanding of the impact of AI tools on studies and in designing effective strategies. RRA also effectively execute learning. It mentions comprehension, efficiency, problem-solving, confidence, and learning engagement. However, the studies also say that its impact on general actual academic performance are depending on how and use AI tools. Overall, the second RLC, AI improves your learning experiences even if it doesn't always increase your grades.
For our methodology, we use causal comparative research set. This is on comparing groups of usage and without changing any variables. Our study aimed to determine how AI tool usage affects the learning and productivity and academic performance of grade 11 ICT students. The study involved grade 11 ICT students who use AI tools in completing their CLAs, with two sample groups composed of 147 and 198 students. We used a systematic sampling method where participants were selected from the enrollment list by choosing a random starting point and selecting 7 students. Data were collected using a structured survey questionnaire that focused on AI research, productivity, critical and problem-solving skills. And lastly, participation in this study was voluntary and confidential, and all completed surveys were carefully checked and organized for proper data analysis.